Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by ensuring Lightroom is updated and permissions are granted. This prevents access errors. Once done, open the library module and locate the Import or File menu where the QR scanner icon appears. Position the QR code in front of your webcam or use a second device. Make sure it's steady and well lit so the scanner can read sharp contrast. You're initiating the scan now. Choose the Scan QR option and prepare to import metadata or presets embedded in the code. You'll align the QR within Lightroom's scanner frame until the app signals a successful read. This visual confirmation avoids partial imports. After the scan, Lightroom displays the decoded content, metadata, a preset, or an asset link, so review it before applying. This step prevents accidental overrides. If it's a preset, choose Auto Apply for speed or import manually to test adjustments. Make sure to set the correct destination folder and collection so your images and settings remain organized. You finish by verifying the import. Inspect the Develop module and metadata panel to confirm presets or info applied correctly. If something isn't right, try a quick troubleshoot. Increase lighting, clean or cover the lens, move the code closer or farther, or scan from another device. These fixes resolve most read errors. Finally, save a backup of imported presets and metadata to your catalog or cloud so you can restore settings later. That ensures a clean, repeatable workflow and prevents lost changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.